Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the Gucci Marmont Matulisse multicolored chained small bag. That is a mouthful. Now this is a bag that I actually saw out in the wild on a girl. I've got a picture and I'm gonna post it because I saw it and knew this is the bag that I need. I do not buy a lot of designer bags, but I felt like this one was bright and fun, but also versatile enough to be able to wear with a lot of things, and I needed it. Problem is that no one carried it. Gucci didn't carry it anymore. They have the pink, they have a turquoise, but they did not have this multicolor, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I kid you not, every single day I've been scanning the web for this, and it finally popped up on Fashion File last week. Now this is no drop in the bucket, but I told myself that wherever it popped up, I would buy it. And I bought it. Now this bag is from Fashion File. If you're not familiar with that company, it is a place where you can buy and sell used, genuine designer goods. So they've got bags and scarves and jewelry and all of it. It is all authenticated and real. So I found this on here and I snagged it. It came in 2 days. I've got a trip to New York in 3 days and I needed it. I could not wait. So should we unbox this? I am so excited. This has been a long time coming. So the first thing we have is the card from Fashion File, and it's just a thank you card with my receipt. This bag happened to be $1,050. I think it retails for $1,100, so it holds its value really well. And let's open it up. Now it is not lost on me that this is not a Gucci box. Coming from Gucci, what an experience, but I am so happy to have this bag. And the good thing about designer goods is that you can buy and sell them and that they hold their value really well because they are so well made and they only make a select few of them. Speaking of, it says, used is the new, and there is confetti coming out. Now I do believe this comes in the box. Okay, we've got the Fashion File dust bag. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Okay, so this does come with the box. It's like beautiful. The Gucci packaging is stunning. And here she is. Okay, look how cute this box is. Here she is. So like I said, this was technically used, but they made a note that it was pretty brand spanking new, and it is. This box actually still has all the ties that originally came on the box, all the Gucci, my goodness, just all of it. Even the original wrapping paper. Okay, let's get to this bag. Here it is. Isn't this so fun? It's different. It is different, but I just think it is such a happy bag. Like, I have a great black leather bag. I actually did a video on it that I love. I have a Louis Vuitton bag, but this is just different because it is so fun. Now, this is a crossbody length and it has the chain. It has an adjustable strap, so you can change how long you want it. And then let's look on the inside. So you've got the GG on the front, and then the inside is just a really pretty linen. It has a pocket, and that's it. But this is the perfect size. I feel like there's the mini, and then there's a small. This is the small, and this is the perfect size for your wallet, your lipstick, some unmentionables, maybe some gum, a couple candies, and you're good to go. I am so happy to have this. Isn't it fun? Just all the different colors. It is in pristine condition. There is absolutely no denim wear off on here. The hardware is perfect. Everything, the leather trim, it's perfect. Okay, so I'm a fan of Fashion File. Here's the other thing. They said that I could trade this in within the next year. So, you know, before whatever a year is from now. And it would still be worth, I think it was like $800. So I lose maybe $300. But I'm gonna have this bag for a while, and I honestly think I could resell it on my own for just as much as I bought it for, because they do really hold their value. Now, this one is the multicolor. Like I said, they also have one currently in the Gucci store that is all of this pink, and then they have one that is all of this turquoise blue, if you're interested. But I'm happy. I'm thrilled about this. So, guys, thank you for just joining me in my excitement. I will be wearing this a lot in my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, go check me out. Over there, I'm at CaseyMathenyStyle. I share tons of fashion hacks and styling tricks and tips. I am a personal wardrobe stylist, certified through FIT in New York City. So it's a really fun time. Go check me and my new Gucci Marmont bag out over there. Thanks for watching, guys.